வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் பேக் டு அவர் சேனல் ஜாவிஸ் இன் 2016. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம குரோஷியா vs ஸ்பெயினுக்கான ஒரு சின்ன ரிவ்யூ பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இது நாக் அவுட் ஸ்டேஜ் மேட்சஸ் தான், ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் 16. ஸோ இது ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காகவும் போகும். ரெண்டு டீமுமே நல்லா ஃபுல் ப்ரெஷர் போட்டு ஆடுவாங்க. ஸோ வெல்கம் கைஸ், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ஜாவிஸ் இன் 2016. ஸோ in this video we are going to short preview about Croatia vs Spain. And before going to video, if you didn't join my channel, Telegram channel, you just search Javis Official in Telegram so that you can join my channel, and all my final SL team and also GL team I will provide in Telegram channel. And in your state, if Dream 11 is banned, you can try Sportazy application. It's a very good platform, and in Sportazy you will get zero commission contest. So if you are playing 299 into 299 contest, the whole 1190 rupees will be given to you. And also you will get 500 cash bonus in Sportazy because it's a new application. They are providing more cash bonus offer. Use my code JAVIS18 so that you will get 500 cash bonus, and also you will get 100% cash bonus league also. Soon they are launching cash bonus league, so you can fully spend the 500 rupees cash bonus in the cash bonus contest. So in Sportazy, cricket, football, basketball there, and you can withdraw through Paytm and also bank account. So you don't need to give your bank account, PAN card, anything. So try Sportazy. I will give download link in description, and also my Telegram channel in description, and also in first comment. And let's see the video. So this is the official lineup for both the team. So look at the Croatia's lineup. Strikers Vlasic, Petkovic, Ante Rebic. So these three are forwards, and Bruno Petkovic will play as a center forward. And in Spain, Sarabia, Morata and Ferran Torres. So these three act as a main anchor to the team. So both the team, they are playing with 4-3-3 combination. And look at Spain and Croatia's overall ranking in FIFA, 14 and 6 rank respectively. And this will be a knockout basis match. So the team who is winning will qualify to next level of round. So it's a round of 16. So let's see who will win today's game. Yesterday Portugal out of the zone, so today what will happen? I think Spain will come through, but I don't hope about Morata. He is not in a good form, he is not playing well. I think today Ferran Torres or Pedri, in these two anyone will score. See Morata's form, only one goal, and also he is not doing some passes, and also missing the great opportunities given by some midfielders. And also see Croatia striker Bruno Petkovic not in that much form, and also Ante Rebic. So once they have Mandzukic, at that time Croatia was very strong. In Croatia, the well-known player is Luka Modric. So he is popular in Croatia. And also if next player who plays well in Croatia is Nikola Vlasic and Mateo Kovacic, he will get more passing and interception points. So okay, let's make the Dream 11 team. I will show you how I make the Dream 11 team. So for example, if you are making small league team, just try to cover all the strikers from both the team who are important. So in how to find important strikers, so just check Morata players details and scroll down. Just see 40 matches appearance and 19 goals so far. So you can take Morata because he's played very well in club matches and also for country. And next well-known player Ante Rebic, and next well-known player for me Ferran Torres. Bruno Petkovic also you can take, he is also experienced player. If you want, you can take Bruno Petkovic instead of Ante Rebic. See Ante Rebic, he is also very good and experienced one. Okay, I covered strikers. Next midfielder Luka Modric, he give passing point, assist and also goal. Next Koke, he is same, and Pablo Sarabia same, Nikola Vlasic. So these four players are midfielder I chosen. Next come to defender section. In defender section, I have Laporte, SP. So these two players are important. SP from Chelsea, Laporte from Man City. Both are very good players. And Delata Carr, either Carr or Dominic Vida. So Dominic Vida, he is a very tall person and also very good player of long ball, and also he will get through the ball through the goal arena. So you can take Dominic Vida also. In wicket keeper, like goalkeeper section, you can take Simon. So this will be my initial SL team for Spain match. And I'm keeping Morata as a captain, vice captain Nikola Vlasic. Either Nikola Vlasic or Pablo Sarabia. You can keep anyone. I'm going with Nikola Vlasic. So I covered all strikers: Morata, Torres, and from Croatia, Ante Rebic, Nikola Vlasic. And in midfielders, Sarabia I covered, Koke and Modric. So it's a balanced team, balanced SL, safe and best SL team. If you want to take risk in this team, if you want to take risk, you can remove Ante Rebic and you can go with Petkovic, or you can take another midfielder like Mateo Kovacic. He will give more passing points. Pedri Gonzalez, like that you can go with. Or if you want to take more risk, you can take Morata and you can place Petkovic and Ante Rebic. So you can go with like this. But I'm going with the same team: Morata captain, vice captain Nikola Vlasic. So let's see who will get more passing point and who will get more tackle interception point. So I'll come to home team. In home team, the person who will get more tackle interception, Dominic Vida, and also Guardiola, DJ Kalatekar. So DCC, these three players are important for getting more passing and tackle points. And from away team, the Spain, Ayamper Labote, Garcia, Caesar, Aspi. These all defenders, all four are very good players. They have played very well in their club teams. They will play for national team also very good. You can take all four defender in your GL team. Okay, these four players will get more tackle and interception points. Especially Laporte and Cesar Azpilicueta. These two players are important. So I am taking these two players in my SL team. And for more shots on target. So shots on target per match, mostly Sarabia will take more shots on target. Alvaro Morata and Ferran Torres. Important Ferran Torres. He will go like he's a young player, so he will go to the goal box most often and he will try to shoot a goal. So take Ferran Torres. He will get more shots on target. And in Croatia, Nikola Vlasic. So Nikola Vlasic, he will get more shot on target. So Nikola Vlasic, Luka Modric, and Ante Rebic. So these three players will get more shots on target and more passing points from both the team. Dominic Vida, Guardiola, Luka Modric, Brozovic, Kovacic, Sarabia, Busquets, Koke, Laporte, Cesar Azpilicueta. So these ticked players all will get more passing points. So take them in your SL and GL team accordingly. And finally, today's my prediction: who will score goal from both the sides. I expecting both team will score either in first half or in second half. I think first half will be 0-0. Those are betting in 1xBet or Bet365. You can go first half prediction 0-0. And the person who will score today in Croatia may be Luka Modric or Nikola Vlasic. In Spain, I expect Sarabia or Ferran Torres. In these two, or either Pedri. So these three. If Morata score, it will be lucky and everyone will take Morata as a captain. So you can take Morata as a safe player. Don't remove him. So that's all, guys. That's all for the today's match tips. And the punt pick. The punt pick of both the team. You can select punt pick like Pedri. Their percentage will be less, and also Mateo Kovacic. And from defenders, you can take Juranovic and also Gaia. So these players are punt pick. You can take them. More or less percentage will be having. So try to make your GL team wisely. Don't miss any points, and you watch the video fully. Subscribe and like my videos. Thank you, guys.